These backyard restoration videos are going viral on social media right now. Just look at this account, it gained 1.2 million followers. Using this exact style of content, and every video is getting millions of views. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create these videos yourself. Now watch what I made in less than 5 minutes. First, open ChatGPT. Go to Apps, then click on GPTs and search for Restoration Time-Lapse. Open the first result and click Start. It will ask you about the place, for example I selected number 5. Instantly, ChatGPT gives you 4 image prompts and 4 video prompts. First, copy the first image prompt and go to Google Flow. Paste the prompt, choose your settings, and click Generate. Now your first image is ready. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the second image prompt. In Google Flow, select the first image as Add to Prompt, paste the new prompt, and hit Generate. Repeat this process until all images are created. Once all images are ready, it's time to turn them into video. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt. In Google Flow, choose Frames to Video, select your first image as the start frame and the second image as the end frame, then paste the prompt and click Generate. Generate all the clips using the same method. Once you have all your clips ready, import everything into any editing software, arrange the clips, and your viral restoration video is ready.